In this video, I'll show you how to create a cinematic opening where the screen opens up like curtains on a stage and reveals your video underneath. Start by opening your project in CapCut Mobile and placing your video clip at the beginning of the timeline so the reveal feels intentional. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to access the animation settings. Now, switch to the In tab, which controls how your video appears at the start. Scroll through the animation list until you find Curtain Reveal, then apply it. Once applied, the screen opens smoothly from the center, revealing the video in a dramatic and theatrical way. Use the duration slider to control how fast the curtains open. Shorter duration makes the reveal quick and impactful. Longer duration slows it down, adding more drama and elegance. Preview the animation and fine-tune the timing so the curtain movement matches your content's tone. And that's it. You've successfully added a curtain-style reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.